The kitchen set up by a chef. Recently our church rented the local community center for a crafts bazaar. We were going to serve lunch, so the kitchen was to be used. As we set up, what did we find? We found a kitchen that was set up for use by a chef. The cookware was stored on pot racks and on shelves. Everything was in the proper place, stored very efficiently and handy for use. As we unpacked the food we were going to prepare, it was an awesome feeling to be able to use such fine restaurant equipment. After all the bags and boxes were emptied, we were ready to cook some good food to serve to our hungry customers. Now that I had time to survey the whole kitchen area, food warmer and server, the pots and pans, the pot racks and all the cutlery and cooking utensils, I found some interesting facts. Yes, some of the pots and pans were very oversized as compared to the cookware as seen in most homes. The reason for the layout of the kitchen and the types of utensils, pots and pans found was easily understandable. Where I was puzzled was the type of different metals used in the pots and pans. I thought all would be made out of the same metal in this restaurant-style setting. As customers started coming to the bazaar, some were associated with this community center. One woman had spent a considerable time in this kitchen and her work consisted of cooking for a senior citizen's retirement home. When asked about the different metals of the pots and pans, she explained to me some of the reasoning in the kitchen setup.